Good morning everyone. I will be presenting my research study or research presentation for my subject. So, this is the things that we will be encountering. So, the research title, the title itself is Artificial Intelligence Application in the Fields or in the Field of Education in its effect to self-efficacy, behavioral self-regulation, and of teachers in higher education. Why I choose this title? Because right now, artificial intelligence is rampant. And it makes our life easier. AI helps us to make our work easy. And sometimes there is a biases that the more use of AI, the more we became dependent on the AI. Pero my topic or my title is more on the health of AI. So, introduction. For much of the last 25 years, the artificial intelligence in education community has been focusing to a large degree on solving the two sigma problem by creating systems that are as effective as human one-on-one training. So, over the years, we have made many significant advances towards the goal. They use Ford's analogy from the quote above, we have become more good at building faster classrooms. Indeed, many interactive learning environment papers showed improvements in efficiency by demonstrating similar learning gains in a reduced amount of time. This study focuses on artificial intelligence apps in the field of education in its effect to self-efficacy and behavioral self-regulation of teachers in higher education. So, the theoretical framework. A theory is a set of interrelated concept definition and proposition that explains or predicts events or situation by specifying relation amongst variable and is heuristic for its stimulates and guides further development for knowledge. These are the theories this study is anchored to. So, first, theory of artificial intelligence apps in education. Much of the artificial intelligence in education involves the application of AI techniques to mainstream learning approaches and tends to reflect existing educational assumptions and practices. Second, artificial intelligence is self-efficacy theory. Computers which performs cognitive tasks usually associated with human minds, particularly learning and problem solving, they explain that AI does not describe a single technology. It is an umbrella term to describe a range of technologies and methods such as machine learning, natural language processing, data mining, neural networks, or an algorithm. AI and machine learning are often mentioned in the same group. The conceptual framework. The conceptual framework consists of independent, dependent, and implication. So here we are talking about the respondent's profile. The dependent, we are talking about the two variables, which is the self-efficacy and behavioral self-regulation. And the implication will be the artificial intelligence apps on education outcomes. So, what is the general statement of the problem? There are, first is, what is the profile of the respondents, the gender, the age, ethnicity, and the highest educational attainment. Second, what is the level of self-efficacy on artificial intelligence application and usage of the respondents? 3, what is the level of behavioral self-regulation of artificial intelligence application on education usage of the respondents? Number 4, is there a significant influence of self-efficacy towards behavioral self-regulation on the artificial intelligence application on the education usage of the respondents? Number 5, is there a significant difference in the self-efficacy and behavioral self-regulation on artificial intelligence application on education when data is analyzed according to their profile? How does the use of artificial intelligence application on education influence college teachers' self-efficacy, and behavioral self-regulation? And 7, are there any mediating or moderating factors in the use of artificial intelligence application by the college instructors? Here, let's go for chapter 2. It is the review of related literature. So the application of artificial intelligence of education has been the subject of academic research for more than 30 years. The field investigates learning wherever it occurs, in traditional classroom or in workplace, in order to support formal education as well as lifelong learning. It brings together AI, which it is itself interdisciplinary, and the learning sciences, education, psychology, neuroscience, linguistics, sociology, and anthropology. To promote the development of adaptive learning environments and other IED tools that are flexible, inclusive, personalized, engaging, and effective. At the heart of IED is the scientific goal to make computationally precise and explicit forms of educational, psychological, and social knowledge which are often left implicit.
Okay.
Here, let's go for chapter 3 right now, for methodology. This study utilized the sequential mixed method of research which aims to answer questions regarding the status or nature of the situation, as it exists at the time of the study and exploring the causes of the particular phenomena. With this study determined to gain insights of the artificial intelligence apps in the field of education in its effect to self-efficacy and behavioral self-regulation of teachers in higher education. In descriptive research method was put into use. There are 100 respondents or 100 college instructors on the different colleges in Isabela City. The researcher used to purposive sampling strategy. This method allows the researcher to have advanced understanding of study's purpose. Purposive sampling is suitable sort of sampling of the study for the study. This is as well explain their age, gender, ethnicity, academic rank, and socio-economic status. Here, quantitative sampling. The mainstream used in gathering data is the questionnaire prepared by the research and distributed to 100 college students. Here, the two-part survey questionnaire was used where one part gathered information on the profile of the college instructor on the artificial intelligence application on education, which includes age, gender, ethnicity, academic rank, and socio-economic status. Here, part 2 again of the questionnaire determined artificial intelligence app in the field of education. The respondents were asked to respond to enumerated items on 5-point Likert scale to artificial intelligence app. In the field of education, in its effect to self-efficacy and behavioral self-regulation for teachers in higher education. The scale show there is 5 is strongly agree, 4 is agree, 3 is undecided, 2 is disagree, and 1 is strongly disagree. In order to interpret the result, the following scale was used. 4.5 to 5 is very high, 3.5 to 4.49 is high, 2.50 to 3.49 is moderate, 1.50 to 2.49 is low, and 1 to 1.49 is very low. Data collection. With the permission coming from the school president of the colleges here in Isabela City, we was requested to the researcher to conduct the study, granted to request instruction and orientation to conduct and identify respondents. Thank you very much for listening, and God bless you all.